Hi folks, welcome back. Yesterday I put up a very short video about the new Hydro Flask water bottle that I purchased. I thought I'd do a quick little test today to see how well it retains the temperature of hot liquid. So what I've done is I've boiled up some water, which I have let cool down a bit because it says don't put boiling water straight into the flask. So what we'll do, so this is slightly cooled boiled water. Getting more water on the side than in the thing. So it's not quite full to the top, but not far off. I've then got a meat thermometer, which I'll place in there, and we'll have a look, see what we get to. I don't know if you can see that. Temperature is climbing. We're up to 70 degrees Celsius now. That would certainly be too hot to drink. So 70 degrees Celsius that is. Right, so let's take that out. And hold you there a minute. Put the top on. Do the top up. Right. And the time now is what time is it now? Just about 1:30. 1:30 in the afternoon. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it out in the back porch. Not a cold day in Kent today. So what I'm going to do, where am I going to put it? I'm going to put it down here. Right, out here it's about 6 degrees, so I'm going to leave it there, and for about, well, we'll come back in about 6 hours, something like that, retake the temperature, see what we got. So interesting to see if it lives up to the promises the manufacturer makes. I should bring you back shortly. Well, no, 6 hours time actually. See you later. Bye. Welcome back, folks. As you can see, it's dark outside now, and the time is, you can see up there, just gone 9:30 in the evening. So it's been 8 hours since I put the Hydro Flask out here. I don't know if you can see it, it's a bit dark out here. There it is. The temperature out here has been hovering around the 3 or 4 degrees mark most of the day. If you remember, about 1:30 this afternoon, I filled the flask up, not quite to the top, with some hot water, and the temperature of the water was 70 degrees Celsius. So it's been out there for 8 hours now, and that don't feel very hot, to be honest. What we'll see now is what the temperature is in the flask now. And temperature up to 30. It stopped at about 35 degrees. So that would indicate that it's lost half of its temperature in 8 hours. Now I don't know. Take that out. Now that is warm. It's not hot, not super hot. No, it's not. It's drinkable, but to be honest, I was expecting it to be warmer than that. So 8 hours. Is that good? I'm probably disappointed at that, to be honest. But there you go. 8 hours. Maybe have to do the test again and see what it's like after, say, 4 hours. But really, you want it to stay hot for. Well, it's not too bad. So it's drinkable, but it's not hot. So there we go. That's the end of the test. Food for thought, I think. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Morning folks, welcome back. I've decided to do another test today of the Hydro Flask. Yesterday I had it outside in the back porch for 8 hours. The temperature out there was hovering around the 4 or 5 degree mark. Today I thought I would repeat the test, but instead of putting it outside in the back porch, I'll leave it in the house, in the kitchen, and see what a difference the ambient temperature makes. So I just boiled up some water. As I mentioned earlier, they say don't put boiling water straight into the Hydro Flask. Let it cool down a little bit. So we'll do that. The time now is, if you can see that up there, I don't know if you can. The time now is just gone 10:30 in the morning. Alright, so there's our hot water. A bit warm, I think. So I'll let it cool off just a little bit. I don't want to damage the flask at all by putting too hot water in it. Right, so it's not 100 degrees now, so it's not worth it. So we're going to tip this in. There we get our angles right. Oh, got most of it all over the bloody counter. Right, get the old thermometer. We'll put that in, and we'll see what that gets up to. I don't know if you can see that. 60 to 70 degrees. Still climbing. 70. Going to go any more? That's more or less 80 degrees. 80 degrees centigrade, Celsius. So that's 10 degrees warmer than the test I did yesterday. So let's take that out and put the lid on. Hold it there. That's about right. So we'll leave that for 8 hours and we'll come back. So what time is it? 8 hours? That'll be about 6:30 this evening. We'll come back and we'll see what the temperature is in the flask then. So see you later. Welcome back, folks, to the final part of this test of the Hydro Flask. The time now is there, 6:30 in the evening. So the flask has had hot water in it for another 8 hours. But this time the flask has been kept in the kitchen, in the house, and the ambient temperature in the house is round about, what we've got here, 16 degrees, something like that, 17 degrees. So we'll have a quick look, see what the temperature in the flask is. There's a bit of warmth there, not a huge amount to be honest. So put the old thermometer in and see where we get to. So we're up to about 40, 45 degrees Celsius. Don't know what that is. So that's still going up a little bit. So we're up to that. Yeah, 45, 46 degrees, something like that. Now this time we started at 80 degrees, so it's lost fractionally half, less than half of the heat, the temperature. When it was outside, in an ambient temperature of like 5 or 6 degrees, something like that, it went from 70 down to 35. In the house, it's gone from 80 to 45. So, I don't know, draw your own conclusions from that. Let's have a quick that is definitely a lot warmer than it was last night when we did the test. Yeah, that is, it's not very hot, but it's definitely, considering it's been 8 hours, that's not bad actually. That's not bad at all, I don't think. Certainly very palatable, and you could drink tea or coffee or bottle or something at that temperature, and it would warm you up a bit. So there you have it. I say, draw your own conclusions from those tests. They're not scientific by any stretch of the imagination, but gives you an idea. So yeah, I'll maybe give some updates when I've taken it out about on my walks and travels. So thanks for watching. Until the next time, see ya. Bye bye.